Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Crypto 5-Sider News. Celsius is biggest gainer. HUSD defeats Genesis cuts workforce illegal Korean exchange Australia's spot ETF. Okay, Celsius emerges as biggest gainer as crypto markets dip after 5 minutes. The soaring of inflation to a 4-decade high forced the United States Federal Reserve to take stricter measures, including interest rate hikes. This only worsened the crypto market crash in the first half of 2022. Bullish crypto enthusiasts had expected positive reports from the FOMC minutes. However, the U.S. Central Banking Authority said in the minutes of its July meeting that inflation is still unexpectedly high. Shortly after the report was released, the crypto markets turned bearish. Bitcoin, falling from its failed attempt to recline, now trades at is down by 2%, falling from over the 24-hour price chart for Bitcoin or BTC. Source CoinMarketCap. Despite the broader crypto market being bearish, Celsius or CEL has rallied to a 20% daily gain to hit a hike. The rally follows approval from the bankruptcy court to allow the crypto lender to sell its mined bitcoins. Huobi stablecoins or HUSD loses its US dollar pitch crash to $9 maybe. HUSD, the Huobi branded stablecoin launched in 2019 by Stable Universal, has become the latest stablecoin to lose its dollar pitch. The stablecoin now trades at $900. The ongoing depleting of the USD result from liquidity issues. The average daily trade volume of HUSD is under 100 million compared to USDT, which sees more than $40 billion daily. About 2 weeks ago, crypto exchange FTX removed HUSD from its basket of supported US stablecoins. The delisting from FTX further reduced the options available for HUSD holders, with Huobi and Uniswap V2 accounting for more than 85% of its trade volume. Huobi Global reacting to the depitching of together with HUSD's issuers or Stable Universal to find a solution and restore its pitch as soon as possible. Why you should care? The defeat of HUSD add more pressure to the stablecoin, which has seen several stablecoins since the Terra collapse. Crypto broker Genesis Global replaces CEO, cuts workforce by 20%. Michael Moro, the CEO of crypto brokerage company Genesis Global Trading, announced his resignation, and the company plans to lay off 20% of its 260 employees starting August 17 to reduce operating costs and recover from exposure to the now bankrupt crypto hedge fund raw capital. Genesis Global Trading will slash its workforce workforce by 20%, accounting to the loss of about 52 jobs. As the company shuffles its leadership, the chief operating of office, Dira Islim, will take over as interim CEO until a permanent replacement arrives. Meanwhile, the now former CEO will advise the firm during the transitions. The recruiting comes a month after the parent company of Genesis Digital Currency Group, or DCG, assumed some liabilities of the employed Singapore-based 3AC and filed a one no 100 no $1 billion liquidation claim. Why you should care? Genesis has joined the long list of well-known crypto firms that have to reduce their workforce due to the market downturn. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.